first tech challenge came to India in 2010. It was actually NRB that introduced this entire concept in India with PTC. This continues to be a project that's very close to our hearts, and we're delighted that it's back here again.
PTC has been a long-time sponsor of FIRST, and we're proud that we were founders of FIRST in India.
NRB has brought together 7 schools from Aurangabad region, and there are about 100 students in those 7 teams who are participating in this tournament, and 14 mentors from NRB who have been mentoring them for the last 2 months to come up to a particular standard when they take part in the competition and compete with the best 30 other teams who have come from all over the country.
We designed the entire approach like a mentorship program. We have lots of young engineers and even older engineers who come from rather underserved backgrounds, and they enjoy giving back to the same community to handhold young children, create an interest in these subjects that they're passionate about.
We always thought that robotics is just robotics, but what FIRST taught us is that it's a lot more than robotics.
But in India, eventually and gradually, robotics is coming up, and many good inventions of robotics are coming up from India.
We read about science and technology, but as you can come here and see in this exhibition, students with the age of 12 to 15, they have created marvelous engineering experiments which is actually working.
Hello, FIRST in India, and congratulations for making it to the 2018 Championship in Pune. I'd really like to thank the Indus Robotics Society and Vinay and Ashwin in particular for pulling this all together.
2019's competed to design a robot, build a robot, and compete in a robotic competition here at the boxing stadium. But more importantly, these students learned great skills, whether it was in collaboration, communication, trade-offs, business skills, marketing skills, all of the skills that they're going to need to compete at college and university level, as well as in the business world.
Kind of the machines and the kind of practice is really wonderful. It's a wonderful initiative. participating in such a big event which will certainly go up to the international level.
So we have a total of 6 countries represented in the team alone out of the 80 countries that our school represents.
We started building the robot faster and faster. We also got to test out our theories in real life.
We've learned gracious professionalism, one of the core values of this competition. We've learned how to work together as a team.
They are doing very well in the team, in the matches so far. So they are competing with the sighted people. Total teams are 47, and after 2 matches they stand at 9th, which is, I think, is a very good achievement for the team.
We were also at the same time enjoyed the process and really took a lot of learning out of it.
One had homographic movement, and one was a simple 2-wheel drive. But looking at a performance, I think this is good for a rookie team playing first time.
So definitely they have understood that robotics is an upcoming thing. They are now developing a passion towards it. Some of them have mentioned to us that they would like to pursue something in the robotics.
It's a great initiative by First Tech Challenge to actually come up with an idea and with such a large scale that it's happening almost all across the world.
Overall, this gives an exposure much beyond your curriculum, school curriculum that I'm talking about, and it helps build your personality. His team has been fabulous, and so has the other teams, which I've been going around and having a look.
FTC मध्ये आम्हाला एक नवीन एक्सपिरियन्स भेटला, ग्रुपनी नवीन काम करायला भेटालं. वापस आम्ही आजपर्यंत रोबोट बनवला नव्हता. तो रोबोट कसा तयार करायचा, त्याचे स्पेअर्स पार्ट तो कसा करून घ्यावा, त्याचं काय कुठे कोणता पार्ट आहे ते समजले. वापस आम्ही FTC मध्ये जे हे काम केलेत ना रोबोटचे, ते कुठल्या मदतीने जास्त करून आम्हाला ना आमच्या शिक्षकांची मदत भेटाली.
जी ब्रेलमधली जी काही कामं असतील ती सगळ्यांनी उत्साहाने करून दिली. तर ह्या सगळ्या चिअरिंग स्क्वॉडसाठी सुद्धा मी 3 चीअर्स म्हणते. तेव्हा शेवटी मी म्हणेन BSRC निवांत चकदे, असंच आयुष्य पुढे येऊ देत. लाईफ इज ब्युटिफुल बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ यू आर देअर.
We are really proud when we hear from the students that how confident they have become after participating in these kind of events.
I'd like to begin with kudos to the organizers who have done a fantastic job in organizing an event at this scale, of this size, with so many participants.
People are actually coming from all parts of the country, from rural areas. People from blind schools are coming and doing this, so it's just beautiful.
They have been learning the basics of visual programming as well as the vision processing, and they have implemented it with the help of robots.
I really appreciated how they made it like really futuristic. We could feel like we were in the future almost, and they are quite knowledgeable about the mechanics of the robots.
It is something of the future, you see, and we are involving children to see the future, and that is why instead of FTC First Time Challenge, it should be Future Tech Challenge.
Robotics has influenced all types of professions, all types of businesses.
What I find is that it is very well organized, very well structured.
Robotics is future. Fantastic work, even not just in India but across outside India. Then we need to train our students for robotics.
Try to acquire any skill which you will excel in your life, and try to exceed in your life, and when you are exceeding your life, try to help others.
One, begin! Alright, the autonomous movement has started, and wonderful Start game by Chennai Walkers. Wow. Alright, 2-1-1-2 is out. 2-1-3-8, team number 2-1-3-8. Here goes out, okay. Six seconds to go for autonomous mode to in. Alright, do not pick up your controllers. Now. Do not use your controllers. Start. Alright, team number 2-1-3-8. I see the robot moving. Team number 2130, Chennai Walkers, they are towards the jewels and they're trying to pick it up. Team number 2139 are also trying hard to pick up the jewel. But it are victory, okay. There's a war between 2112 and 2139 and the robots are stuck to each other. This is getting interesting. Team number 2138, the robot is there, this is there. You got 1 minute and 19 seconds to go. All the teams are trying real hard, 2139, something is wrong. 2112 is, I see the robot moving and they've gone ahead with no victory. We've got 1 minute to go. We've got 1 minute to go. Come on, teams. Team number 2112 is struggling. Team number 2130, they are robots stuck in the crater. And 2112 is still trying hard, but no victory. We've got 30 seconds to go. Endgame has begun. Endgame has begun. Come on, guys. 2112. 2139, 2138, team number 2130. Nothing at all. Almost about 10 seconds left for the game to end. Come on, guys. No victory at all. Nothing at all. 2112, 2138. Alright, guys. Please put your controllers down. Please put your controllers down. First game, no victory. All well played. Well played.
Hello friends, the Goa International Robotics Festival will be held here in Goa from 25th to 28th Jan 2024. The Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Department, in collaboration with First India Program Delivery Partner Infinity X STEM Foundation, is hosting this festival. As initiated by our Chief Minister, the CM Cares program encourages robotics and coding through the school curriculum, and this festival will be held in line with the Chief Minister's vision. Our goal students from Team Goatronics will be the brand ambassadors, Hence, I take this opportunity to encourage our students to participate and enjoy this festival. Thank you.
Are we ready for a splendid evening? Make some noise, guys, make some noise. Are we ready to start this festival right here in Goa?
Let's start the match in 3, 2, 1, begin!